Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 3 English literature teacher, and remember we are starting with the story of Prince and the Pauper, and today we are doing the chapter Prince in Rags, and that is from page number 8. And in page number 8 we have studied that the King Edward, Prince Edward, and Tom Canty, they both met each other. Now they decided that they will exchange their clothes with each other, and now both boys began to undress. The young prince took off his silk and jewels and his little red hat and dressed himself in Tom's dirty clothes, while Tom Canty put on the beautiful clothes of Prince. And now Tom Canty looked same as Prince Edward, while Prince Edward looked like Tom Canty. Now they saw themselves in front of the mirror and they couldn't recognize each other because Tom Canty was looking exactly like Prince Edward, while Prince Edward was looking exactly like Tom Canty. Now, both of them were surprised that their voices also are the same and their faces are also so much similar. Now, what happened? Prince Edward saw that Tom Canty had a red mark on his arm. So, Prince was very much angry and he told that he will be punishing the soldiers. So, now Prince Edward went out in anger and he wanted to punish the soldiers. But when the soldiers saw him, they thought that it is not Prince Edward but it is only the poor beggar. So they pushed him and hit the prince on one side. So the prince Edward was very angry and he said that if you will behave like this, then my father is going to punish you. But the soldiers didn't listen to him because they thought that it is not Prince Edward but it is Tom Canty. So now the prince was very much in problem and he was just trying to make them believe that I'm not a beggar and I am Prince Edward, but the soldiers didn't listen to him and they pushed him out of the gate and closed the gate. The next topic that we did is the prince in trouble, that is from page number 10. Now, what was the trouble of the prince? That everyone was thinking that Prince Edward is a Tom Canty, and everyone was behaving very badly with the prince. And the outside people, they were laughing and shouting and enjoying whatever was happening. He tried to make them understand that he is Prince Edward, but no one was listening to him. Now he looked around and he did not know where he was, and he was very tired and he was very afraid to lie down because he has never slept on the floor and he was not feeling safe. And then he saw a great building and he knew that it was made by his father, and he thought him to himself that it is the Christ Church and it was a church long ago, and then his father, the king, made it into a home for poor children. So the poor children were looked after over there, so he thought that if I go in that church, everyone will be kind to him because it is made by his father. So now he is feeling happy. We have studied this much. You have to read page number 8, 9 and page number 10 till here. Then you have to do a homework, and your homework is you have to write the heading, the today's date, and in the index also you will write the heading A Prince in Rags, and then you will write the reference to the context with the blue color. And the first is done by me. I can't believe this, we look exactly alike. Now, who said these lines? Prince Edward. To whom these lines were told? Tom Canty. Circumstances when the prince and the Tom exchanged their clothes and saw them in the mirror. Then Prince said this because their appearance and voices were same. They look exactly same. That's why Prince Edward told that I can't believe this, because they were looking exactly the same. The second one I have given from the same chapter, A Prince in Rags. I'm not a beggar, I am Prince Edward. Now, this is told by Prince Edward. And to whom is he telling? He is telling to the soldiers who are pushing him and banging him here and there. And circumstances is that the Prince Edward is wearing Tom Canty's beggar clothes. That's why none of the soldiers are able to recognize him, and they are thinking that it is not Prince Edward but it is Tom Canty the beggar, and that's why they are pushing here and pushing Prince Edward here and there. And in response of that, Prince Edward is making them realize that he is not a beggar but he is the prince. Now you have to draw the picture or photocopy the picture on page number 8. I can show you the picture on page number 8. This you can make it photocopy and paste it in your copies to show that how the two boys are looking same. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.